A man named Ali lived in a village many years ago. Unfortunately, his parents had passed away during his childhood. He struggled greatly to make a living by toiling in the fields. However, he owned a hen that faithfully laid an egg for him every day. In times of desperation, when he had nothing to eat, Ali would consume the egg from his hen and then retire for the night. Living nearby was a man named Basa, who was not an honest individual. One day, when Ali was away from home, Basa observed that Ali was living comfortably and decided to steal his hen. After successfully taking the hen, Basa proceeded to kill and cook it, consuming it for his own sustenance. Upon Ali's return, he noticed that his hen was missing and began searching high and low for it. Outside Basa's house, Ali discovered some feathers belonging to a chicken. When he confronted Basa about it, Basa claimed that his cat had caught a hen which he had cooked and eaten. Unaware that it belonged to Ali, Basa expressed his regret. Ali warned Basa that he would report this incident to the magistrate. Fearing the consequences, Basa replaced the stolen hen with a small duck. Ali nurtured the duck, which eventually grew and started laying eggs after a few days. One stormy night, a holy man sought shelter at Basa's house, seeking refuge from the rain. However, Basa heartlessly turned him away. The holy man then approached Ali's house, where he was provided with shelter and food. The following morning, as the holy man prepared to depart from Ali's house, he touched the head of Ali's duck. Subsequently, when the duck laid an egg, it turned out to be made of gold. Ali was overjoyed at this miraculous occurrence. From that point forward, every egg laid by the duck was made of gold. Ali was able to alleviate his poverty by selling these golden eggs. However, he continued to lead a simple life. One day, Basa witnessed the duck laying a golden egg and decided to approach the magistrate. Basa accused Ali of stealing his duck the previous day. When questioned by the magistrate, Ali recounted the entire story, explaining how Basa had given him the duck initially. The judge declared that he would decide the rightful owner of the duck the following day. As usual, the duck laid a golden egg for the judge. The next day, the magistrate showed the normal egg to both of them and said that "Your duck has given it yesterday." On being asked separately, Ali told the judge the truth that his duck used to lay golden eggs, while Basa said that his duck lays normal eggs. The judge took a new duck and gave it to Basa, and gave Ali the duck that lays the golden egg. Ali was happy to find the golden egg-laying duck again. The story reminds us not to let greed and jealousy cloud our judgment and actions. Instead, we should appreciate what we have and be content with our own blessings. Ali, despite his modest lifestyle, was content with his life and took care of his hen and later the duck that laid golden eggs. On the other hand, Basa's envy led him to steal Ali's hen and later falsely claim ownership of the duck. However, truth prevailed when the judge discovered that Ali's duck was indeed special, laying golden eggs. The story teaches us the importance of honesty and integrity. It highlights the consequences of dishonesty and the value of being content with what we have. It reminds us that true wealth and happiness come from within, and it is essential to appreciate and be grateful for the blessings in our lives.